That's it. That's it. Now he's got to come closer towards on my side to get him to move a little bit out. Nice. 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 There he is. That's it. You're doing good. Now have him move towards the ducks. Cut him off. Bring him on the by side. That's it. That's it. Good. That's it. Good. Good, Jim. There. There. The ducks are moving, so stop him. That's it. He's countering on his own. He's learning to counter on his own to keep them out there and moving. That's good. Alright, now he's getting a little bored, so let him have a little fun, and we're going to end it. Let him have a little fun. Move them ducks, boy. Move them ducks. Move them ducks. That's it. Move them ducks. Atta boy. Watch your head. Move them ducks. That's it. Not now. You got them cornered. They're going to get hurt. You got to have them out. You got to have. If they're in a corner, that's too dangerous. You got to have them out in the field. That's right. That's right. That's it. That's it. Now they're going to come back because you went too far ahead of them. That's all part of herding. Learn the directions of your animals. That's it. Good. Good. Get behind them. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Now, that'll do. Take them out. Away from them. Take them out. That's it. Good.